We guide you through how to add Google Sheet to Wave accounting quick and efficiently. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Sheet and make sure your data is clean with clear column headers like date, description, income, and expenses because this will prevent imports error later. Next, click on File, select Download, and choose comma separated values or CSV. Since Wave Accounting supports this format for uploads, once downloaded, log into your Wave Accounting account, go straight to Accounting tab and select Transactions. From there, click on Upload a bank statement, then drag and drop your CSV file or browse your computer to locate it. Wave will automatically begin reading the file, but pay close attention to the column mapping section. This where you match your Google Sheet columns to Wave's required fields like amount, date, and descriptions. After confirming everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Import and wait a few seconds for the transactions to appear in your dashboard. Now, review the imported entries to ensure there are no duplicates or incorrect amounts and categorize each transaction properly so your reports stay accurate. If you plan to do this regularly, keep a consistent template in Google Sheets to make future uploads even faster.